Hi, my name is Mitch Stevens, and I'm creating Digital Sage. Digital Sage is a game explaining the way your computer works. The best way to explain the game is to experience it firsthand, so let's jump right in. This is the game board, the area where you place all of the components. The first component we're going to look at is an input. We create an input by clicking the input label on the sidebar. The input creates a signal, represented here as an electric blue color. We toggle the input on and off by clicking it. Now I'm creating an output. An output lights up when it's given a signal from another component. We can combine these components to create a very simple circuit. As you can see, the output on the right is dependent upon the input on the left. Alright, let's try something more interesting. This component is called an OR gate. It takes inputs from the top and the left. If one of these inputs is on, the output is on. If both outputs are off, then the output is off. That's why this gate is called an OR gate. The output is on if input 1 is on or input 2 is on. But say we had another input and needed a circuit to turn the output on if any of the three inputs are on. Given that we already have an OR gate, we can compose these two OR gates to create a new circuit. From these smaller gates, we've created a custom circuit for our own purposes. And this is the most important part of the game, the ability to create larger things from smaller components. This board represents the way that your computer is working right now at a microscopic level. As the game progresses, you will use what you've learned to create more and more complex systems that start to do interesting things. You'll learn how your computer describes a number and how it can add them together. You'll also learn how computers store their short-term memories as data and how they do useful things with them. Your support of this project means that I can continue to create this game on a more regular basis. If this looks like a game that you or a loved one would enjoy, head over to my Stir page in the description and click the Vote for this project button at the top of the page.